We shall next discuss ternary search. So the recurrence for ternary search is T of n is equal to T of n by 3 plus 2. So given an integer array of size n, we spend two comparisons. One comparison at n by 3, the location n by 3, and another one at the location 2n by 3. So after making these two comparisons, we decide to work with either this array, which is of size n by 3, or this subarray, or this subarray. So input size from n, it goes to n by 3. So supposing I work with this, then 2n by 3 is pruned, and this call we take after incurring two comparison, and this is something we keep doing it iteration after iteration. So on one side, how is this happening? Input size reduction tree, if you look at it, from n we go to n by 3, then we go to n by 9, and after a while it reaches 1. And similar to binary search, you see that this is at level 0, this is at level 1, and this is at level k. And so what is the value of k such that n by 3 power k becomes 1? You see that k is log n base 3. And at level 0 you have got n by this. At level 1 it is n by 3 power 1, which means at level k it is n by 3 power k, but n by 3 power k is 1. So number of levels is starting from 0 to log k, which is k plus 1, or log n base 3 plus 1. So this many levels are there. Fine. So this is on one side. On the other side, we look at the computation tree. Now when problem size is n, we incur two comparisons. Then when problem size is n by 3, again we incur two comparisons. We keep doing it. But when problem size becomes 1, we incur just one comparison. So which means that the root it is 2. Then when problem size is n by 3, we incur 2. When problem size is n by 9, we incur 2. When it reaches 1, we incur only one comparison. So this is at level 0, this is at level 1, this is at level k minus 1, this is at level k. So which means at level log n base 3, we incur one comparison. At all other levels, we incur two comparisons. Which means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. And at how many levels we get to see 2, starting from 0 to k minus 1, which means it is 2k plus 1, or 2 into log n base 3 plus 1. So the time complexity of this algorithm is 2 log n base 3 plus 1, and if you write this in asymptotic sense, this is theta of log n base 3. And we also saw that if you compare binary search and ternary search in asymptotic sense, they both are of same complexity. So which means theta of log n base 3 is also theta of log n base 2. Not just that, theta of log n base 3 is theta of log n base k, where k is a fixed integer. So in asymptotic sense, if you see binary search, ternary search, and k-way search, where k is fixed integer, they are all of same complexity. So there are two things. One, how the input size is getting decreased at each level, and when does it reach T of 1 subproblem. That is the input size reduction tree. This will tell you when the recursion stops and so on. But as part of computation tree, this is what we need, because T of n represents the total number of comparisons. To calculate the total number of comparisons, we see how many comparisons we incur at each stage. Number of comparisons at this stage is so much, number of comparisons at this stage is so much, and so on. And look at the number of levels. With that, you can calculate the overall time complexity. So that's precisely the idea.